Hello and welcome to this yoga flow for strength and flexibility. So watch full video and share the video to your family and friends. So let's begin. Raise your hands and inhale. Go down with exhale. Try to touch the ground. During any yoga flow, always concentrate on breathing process. First of all, watch full video to learn all steps of this yoga flow. Then follow the sequence and transitions. Remember one important thing that don't overstretch the body and joints. This yoga sequence will be much beneficial for one's strength and flexibility. It will energize you and help to increase stamina. So follow me to learn all these steps in a very smooth manner. I can confidently say that you will filled with positive energy to complete this yoga flow because it will balance our neurotransmitters that have positive impact on our body and mind. So thank you.